Hi, and welcome to Low Carb Cocktails. I'm Frank, another low carb cocktail guy. It's been a minute since I put anything out. 2024 is here. Got a fire underneath me to get some more of these low carb cocktail content out to you guys. I appreciate a lot of the outreach to me, making sure I was okay. Warms my heart, guys. Warms my heart. It really does. So I'm back at it. We're gonna hit 2024 strong and hard, and I'm gonna really kind of be focusing on a lot of redo videos, I guess you'd say. Some of my older videos where at the time, 4 years ago, the information I had wasn't accurate. Since then, I've learned a few things, learned a few tips, learned a few tricks, and I'm gonna go ahead and redo some of those old videos with better methods, with more accurate information on carb counts. Because there's a lot of wrong information back in the day when I first started. So I wanna make that up, and we're gonna be reshooting a lot of the old videos. Starting off with this one here, and this is my lime cordial. I thought about redoing this video after watching one of my favorite YouTube channels, probably say currently my favorite cocktail YouTube channel, and that is Dr. Kush's Exotic Drinks. Dr. Kush is amazing. Got a little bit of a bromance, but you know, hey, he's a great guy. Love his personality, super informative. And he recently did a lime cordial on his channel, and I went, you know what? That's one of the ones I did wrong. So let me remake that one, show you guys a better way to do it with actually 0 carbs, because last time I said it was 0 carbs, and I was wrong because nutrition information labels are stupid sometimes. So enough jibber jabber, let's make a lime cordial. So if you don't know what a lime cordial is, it's sweetened lime juice. Roses is a big popular brand. There's a lot of high fructose corn syrup and stuff in that one. And you know, we ain't doing that one. So yeah, let's gonna make our own. And this is gonna be used in a lot of cocktails. A lot of cocktails will call for lime cordial. Gimlet. Gimlet's a real popular one, and I love me some gimlets. Which is just gin or vodka, but really it's better with gin, lime cordial, and that's it. Super easy cocktail to make. We're gonna go ahead and make our lime cordial. I make it the easiest way that I can. You will have to do one thing first, and that is to make a lime Oleo citrate. If you've not seen that video, I'll leave a link to it at the end of this video where you can go see how to make this. And this is basically lime juice with 0 carbs. So this has 0 net carbs. You know what else has 0 net carbs? Allulose simple syrup, and this is it. This is all you need to make a lime cordial. I love enough jibber jabber. Let's go ahead and make it. So super simple, equal parts. Now there's a lot of other ways you can do this, like Dr. Kush's channel. He took lime peels with some citric acid and water, but he basically made super juice and then he sweetened it with some simple syrup. So it's kind of the same thing we're doing. We've already got the citric acid and the lime peels in our super juice, or our Oleo citrate. We're gonna do 1 cup of our Allulose simple syrup. And 1 cup of our lime Oleo citrate. And that's really it. Super easy. Get a little stirry stick. You go stirry, 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 like that, and maybe back the other way. And then if you want to look fancy, you can do it like if you want to be fancy about it. But, oh, that's so good. That's so good. You know what? You can use this in a lot of recipes. If any recipe calls for a simple syrup and a lime juice, just use this instead. Like the Mai Tai I'm having right now. But they have simple syrup and lime juice. You can use this. Get yourself a container. Got a little green thingy on it so I know it's my lime cordial. And just pour that in. Make sure I don't overflow it because I overflow these bottles all the time. And perfect. And there you have your lime cordial. And this is so yummy. I can drink it just like this. This is basically limeade. It's basically it. You made limeade, you made lime cordial. But again, Allulose simple syrup, number 1. is what you're gonna need. And there'll be a link below to my Amazon store where you can pick up all the ingredients and the tools that I use there. And that's a great way to support my channel without any money out of your pocket. You're gonna buy the stuff anyway, just buy it from my Amazon store and I get a kickback. No extra charge to you, no extra money out of your pocket, and it helps out my channel. We'll cap that off, put that aside because we got a video coming soon using it. So guys, that's it for me. Y'all have a great day. I'm so happy to be back on YouTube. Holiday season was very stressful for me. Got through it, and here I am to provide some more great content and throw the limes around and provide some yummy, yummy cocktails that you can have guilt-free.